Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already made a backup, now act. Start by selecting the affected cells and glance for commas, leading apostrophes, currency signs, or stray spaces. These make numbers text. Once selected, use data text to columns with delimited unchecked and finish to force Excel to reevaluate values. This often converts text numbers instantly. If you prefer a formula-first approach, pick a helper column. You're doing this to preserve originals while producing clean numeric values that Excel can calculate with. You'll now convert systematically so formulas stay intact. In a helper column, use equals value, substitute A1. To remove thousand separators, then coerce to number. Combine trim, clean, if spaces or hidden characters persist. Once helper results look correct, format them with the desired number, currency, or percentage format so Excel displays values properly. When ready, copy the helper column and paste special values over the originals. This prevents linking and ensures stable numeric entries. You're almost done. After verifying results with SUM or count to confirm totals, copy helper values back over originals and reapply your number format. Make a final save with a new file name so you can revert if needed. If Excel still treats cells as text, check for non-breaking spaces. Use equals code, mid, A111 to inspect, or run substitute, A1 char 160, before value. Keep one troubleshooting rule. When in doubt, isolate a small sample and iterate until conversion is consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.